Since 2004, JTM Plumbing has been providing top-notch plumbing service at an affordable price to the Gretna and Omaha community. When you hire the team at JTM Plumbing, you can expect incredible service without breaking the bank. We are happy to take on residential, commercial, and industrial jobs, including plumbing repairs, new installations, water heater installation and service, water softener installation and service, water purification, and backflow testing. JTM Plumbing is even an authorized Onyx dealer and installer. With outstanding service, stellar results, and highly competitive rates, JTM Plumbing should be your #1 choice for all of your plumbing needs. Not only do we offer the most affordable prices in the area, but we also provide senior citizen, military, and civil service discounts. For more information, please visit www.jtmplumingservice.com or call 402-203-6193 for a free estimate.